Hello guys, in the last two videos I have been showing you how to use your data grid view to connect to the MySQL table in a Visual Basic Windows Form application. So this is my table and I have loaded these values. But there is one more thing you can do with this table, that is that if you want to change the column title of these columns, which should be different from the data table values in here. So earlier what we were doing is we were loading the table from the data table in the MySQL database in here. So it's also taking the names from the MySQL database, which is the names in the column, which is EID, name, surname and age, which are these EID, name, surname and age. But suppose you want to give the different name to the column title. Suppose you want to say that this column is employee ID column instead of EID column, and this is column. So suppose you want to change this title, instead of name you want to change it to first name. How can you do this? I will show you in this video. Okay, so what you need to do is, in the video number 12 I have shown you how to write this load table subroutine or sub to load your data grid view with the database values, right? And if you don't remember, just watch that video number 12. And in here we have written the query for fetching the values from the database, MySQL database specifically. And in here we have written these column titles. So these are the column titles which are printed in as a title of your data grid view, right? So how can you change or how can you show custom names instead of these titles? Just you need to change the query a little. You just write select EID, which is the name of my column, which is this one. Select EID and just write as, and just write single quotes, and in here you can write the custom name you want to give. So I write employee ID. Same thing I will do for name, surname and age. So name as, and in the single quote I will write first name, surname as last name, and age as age. Okay, in the quotations, right? Now when you run your program, and now when you see the column titles, they are customized according to your text which you have written here: first name, employee ID, last name and age. So in this way you can change the column title of your data grid view according to yourself. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.